So you own a property here in Miami, but you don't live here, right? Perhaps you're in another state, California, New York, Alaska, wherever, right? Or perhaps not even in the country. All right, a question that I get asked often is like, listen, I can't be traveling back and forth. Logistically, it's just not feasible or it's too expensive. And I need help prepping the property for sale. All right, so this is how we can help you. All right, we manage over 50 properties, okay, on behalf of landlords. So we have an amazing crew that can help you in any way possible to prep the property for sale. All right, so you just let us know. We'll send a crew out there. They'll tell us, hey, this is what needs to be done, A, B, C, right? And the cost. This information goes out to you. And if you give me the green light, boom, we send our crew out there to get the job done, to prep the property for sale. And then later on, obviously, we arrange reimbursement of expenses. So not an obstacle whatsoever. If you don't live here and you don't want to deal with the logistics of flying back and forth or dealing with contractors long distance, we can help you. No problem. Okay, just message me. Have a great weekend. Bye.